Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
See, Blue Flag certificate, they have to form one small committee. I've been following up with the collector. So collector will follow the committee and the committee will share the people. Committee has to get the locals involved, like fishermen. They have to identify people who are involved in the trade, different trades, because we can't displace them. Minister for Environment, Niresh Kabra, called a meeting, and I was there for the meeting. The meeting, they proposed that they will take a 5 decisions in Goa. So that it is in that stage. From that stage, then the next stage, they form a committee. Actually, I किती लावून meeting आपले blue flag certification आहे. लोकांना blue flag certificate किती लावून जाय. लोकांना किती करपाक जाय ते blue flag. And people have to support. They can't oppose. Main company is from Denmark, and we have got a company from Chennai to looking after Goa, and they have already taken water samples from Baina Beach. See, water sample is one major first step. Second is then they have to give proper toilet facilities, vehicle parking, ramps, disabled friendly. There are a lot of things there. There is a big list. So I feel Vasco will prosper.